The world's largest auto exporter is just starting to ship electric vehicles, causing concern for competitors like Elon Musk and Tesla. While most companies were stuck with outdated models, Tesla engineers were quietly preparing for a revolutionary change. No noise, no fanfare, just groundbreaking technology developed behind the scenes. Elon Musk has surprised the world again, but this time it's not just a new motor, it's a game-changing leap that leaves other companies in the dust from the outset. This motor is so advanced that experts describe it as something from the future: fast, lightweight, and incredibly efficient, utilizing every drop of electricity optimally. The result is a car that runs smoother, with instant response and no noise. Tesla's intelligent design and coding ensure more power with less energy, setting a new standard in the EV race. The big question is, how did Tesla achieve this? What makes this technology so special, and what does it mean for the future of automobiles? This story begins where others left off, with Tesla's new motor redefining not just cars, but the entire industry's direction. At Tesla's Model S Plaid event on June 10, 2021, Elon Musk unveiled a compact motor that looked deceptively simple, light enough to lift by hand yet powerful enough to propel a 2-ton sedan like a rocket. The secret lies in its rotor, wrapped tightly in carbon fiber to prevent heat expansion, wear, and damage. Traditional motors overheated and degraded under pressure, but Tesla's innovation locks the rotor in place with a hair-thin air gap between it and the stator, boosting both power and efficiency. This allows the rotor to spin at 20,000 RPM, a speed where most competitors' motors fail. Independent tests like those by Motor Trend confirm Tesla's new motor is 25% faster than its predecessors, setting a new benchmark. And this isn't just a prototype, it's in mass production. Each Model S Plaid features 3 such motors, delivering 1,020 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque, yet each remains compact enough for an engineer to carry effortlessly. And a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour if unrestrained. But it's not just about speed, this motor is smart. Unlike older high-performance EVs that drain batteries rapidly, Tesla's design ensures cool, controlled energy transfer without bulky cooling systems. EPA ratings back this up. The Model S Plaid achieves 348 miles of range and 101 mpg. Real-world tests by Inside EVs confirmed 300 miles of highway range at 70 miles per hour, shattering the old trade-off between speed and endurance. Tesla's dominance isn't just technological, it's strategic. While legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Toyota struggle to adapt, losing billions on outdated EV platforms and sluggish production, Tesla's vertically integrated approach gives it an edge. From factory design to in-house battery production, Tesla controls every link in the chain. Ford's $50 billion EV commitment hasn't prevented losses, $1.3 billion last quarter, and GM's Ultium battery rollout is plagued by delays. Toyota, despite a $38 billion EV pledge, retreated to hybrids after their BZ4X flopped. Startups like Lucid and Rivian face their own hurdles. Lucid loses $3 billion annually despite its $150,000 Air sedan, while Rivian bleeds $40,000 per vehicle. Even BYD, which outsold Tesla in 2024 with 4.2 million plug-ins, relies on cheap hybrids and struggles outside China due to tariffs. Tesla's supremacy extends beyond hardware. Its supercharger network, which was once exclusive, is now the North American standard after rivals like Ford, GM, and Mercedes adopted Tesla's plug. This move transforms superchargers into a revenue stream, as non-Tesla drivers now pay to use the network. By 2028, 1 in 3 U.S. charges could be for non-Tesla vehicles. Globally, Tesla's charging infrastructure is expanding, with mega sites featuring more than 100 stalls, solar roofs, and megapack storage to stabilize grids. The seamless user experience, plug in, charge, and go, really stands in sharp contrast to competitors' fragmented systems. The true crown jewel, however, is Dojo, Tesla's custom-built AI supercomputer. Unveiled at 2021's AI Day, Dojo processes real-world driving data to train Tesla's full self-driving system. Its D1 chips, packed with 50 billion transistors, are combined into tiles, trays, and cabinets to form an exaflop-scale exopod. This lets Tesla refine its AI models in days, not months, using footage from millions of miles driven daily. While rivals depend on expensive third-party chips like NVIDIA's H100, Tesla's self-reliance slashes costs and accelerates innovation. Morgan Stanley estimates Dojo could generate $500 billion in value, powering everything from autonomous cars to humanoid robots. Tesla's story isn't just about a faster motor or smarter AI, it's about fundamentally rewriting the rules of the automotive industry in ways that leave traditional manufacturers scrambling to keep up. While legacy automakers remain shackled to outdated business models, production methods, and technological limitations, Tesla operates on an entirely different plane. One where vertical integration, relentless innovation, and long-term vision converge to create an unstoppable competitive advantage. What truly sets Tesla apart is its ability to think beyond incremental improvements, and instead reimagine every aspect of transportation from the ground up. While competitors chase quarterly profits and struggle to retrofit electric drivetrains into gasoline-era platforms, Tesla has built an ecosystem, from proprietary motors and batteries to AI-powered self-driving systems and a global charging network that operates seamlessly as one cohesive unit. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution in how vehicles are designed, manufactured, and even conceptualized. Consider the ripple effects of Tesla's dominance. Where other companies see electric vehicles as an alternative to combustion engines, Tesla treats them as the foundation for an entirely new paradigm of mobility. One that integrates energy storage, renewable power, and autonomous technology into a single intelligent network. Even when competitors manage to produce compelling EVs, they remain hamstrung by reliance on third-party suppliers, inefficient manufacturing, and the inability to update vehicles over the air with the same agility as Tesla. But perhaps the most telling sign of Tesla's industry-defining influence is how it has forced every other automaker to play by its rules. From adopting Tesla's charging standard to attempting and often failing to replicate its software-first approach, competitors are no longer setting the agenda, they're reacting to Tesla's moves. The company hasn't just entered the automotive industry, it has redefined it, turning traditional strengths like dealership networks and decades of combustion engine expertise into liabilities overnight. The future of transportation isn't just electric, it's undeniably, irrevocably Tesla's. While legacy automakers remain mired in the slow, painful transition from combustion engines to their first-generation EVs, Tesla has already moved far beyond the concept of electric vehicles as mere replacements for gasoline cars. The company isn't just participating in the automotive industry, it's systematically redefining every aspect of mobility, from energy generation and storage to autonomous driving and artificial intelligence integration. Where traditional manufacturers see electric powertrains as the finish line, Tesla treats them as merely the starting point for a much more ambitious vision of transportation's future. What truly separates Tesla from every other player in the mobility space is its unique ability to think in terms of complete ecosystems rather than individual products. While competitors struggle to match Tesla's battery technology or motor efficiency, Tesla is already deploying autonomous robotaxis, developing humanoid robots that could revolutionize manufacturing and service industries, and building energy ecosystems that turn vehicles into nodes in a vast intelligent power grid. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a fundamental reimagining of how humans and goods will move in the 21st century. The depth of Tesla's lead becomes apparent when you examine where the company is investing its resources and talent. While other automakers pour billions into catching up to Tesla's 2018 Model 3, Tesla is perfecting technologies like its 4680 battery cells, Dojo supercomputer for AI training, and Optimus humanoid robots. Technologies that won't just improve cars, but will create entirely new categories of products and services. The company's vertical integration strategy means it controls everything from raw material sourcing to final vehicle software updates, creating a competitive moat that grows wider with each passing quarter. The race for the future of mobility was never close, and the gap is only widening. While other companies measure their progress in percentage points of battery improvement or small gains in charging speed, Tesla operates on an entirely different timescale and ambition level. The question isn't whether Tesla will lead the transportation revolution, that ship has sailed. The only remaining question is how many years or even decades it will take for the rest of the industry to even comprehend, let alone replicate, what Tesla has already built. In this new era, Tesla isn't just setting the pace, it's rewriting the rules of the race itself, leaving everyone else to play catch-up in a game where the goalposts keep moving further into the future.